Cebu Pacific, this is not right.
Right.
Kailangan to na repeat. Which do you prefer? To be delayed or no aircon? Delayed. Okay. Delayed and no aircon. You look so cool. Thank you. Huh?
The other one's so small.
Yeah. Private.
For 10 passengers. Why is that private?
Let's go for hours.
Ah, it's so far.
Let's go. So hard.
Look that. You realize? Oh, they have that.
Honey, I told you last time. Construction in Philippines never finished. You know what? If you come here
That one is
5
18.
years later, the same. They're still the same condition. Few months. One generation. This is our airplane. Cebu Pacific. Propeller. Propeller.
Honey, they left you. Honey, they left you.
The aircraft gates close to
2233.
bear with us. Or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to
My first time
reseat
to
you.
take
Non-airconditioned.
airplane without air conditioning.
May we request all guests to kindly located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, we sincerely apologize for the warm cabins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the do not wish to perform the
Alright, think of what
functions
you will eat.
described in case of emergency. Please ask the cabin crew to reseat you.
Wonderland. Where's Aloha? You can order. What? Mango sunrise cooler? You just drank.
I'm
Mocha
still
chocolate. Cebu Pacific, this is not right.
Right.
Never good answer. Which do you prefer? To be delayed or no aircon? Delayed. Okay. Delayed and no aircon. Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines out of Philippines. Yeah, this one is the Pacific is.
Manila in
What's
command of the
that?
aircraft is Captain Torres, AV assisted with first
Does
officer.
it work?
Tinan niyo, our flying time will be approximately 1 hour and 20
There is
minutes.
something coming out. Air. It works.
Please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube.